Hello dear viewers, you are most welcome and thanks for watching. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Tonight we have our lesson 2 and we are continuing with the topic acids and alkalis. In the previous lesson, we talked about the definition of acids, and please, I made a mistake. The definition of the acid, the first one, it is supposed to be forming positively charged ions, not negatively charged ions. I think I've rectified that one. Then also we talked about the types of acids, where we said we have 2 types of acids. We have the organic acids and then the mineral acids. And we said that organic acids, for them, they are obtained from plants and animals, and they occur naturally. Then in the mineral acids, for these ones, they are derived or obtained from inorganic mineral elements. Then we also went ahead and talked about the acid strengths, where we said we have the weak acids, especially the organic acids. All organic acids are weak acids. And also talked about the strong acids, which are ionized completely in water, producing many hydrogen ions that are responsible for the acidity. And we said these ones majorly are obtained from minerals, and we gave examples. So today I want us to talk about 3 things. We are going to talk about properties, or somebody can call them characteristics of acidic substances or acids. Also, we are going to discuss about the commonly acidic substances that we do have. Then also we shall go ahead and talk about the importance of acids or significance of acids. Alright, let's now jump over, and please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and watch up to the end so that you don't miss out anything. So let's begin by talking of the properties or characteristics of acidic substances or acids. The first and foremost, we are saying that acids or acidic substances can be identified by their properties or characteristics. Let us see the first one, saying acids or acidic substances have a sharp, sour taste. Then number 2, you are saying that when they are ionized in water, acids produce hydrogen ions as the only positively charged ions in solution. We saw that one in the previous lesson. Then we can have the third one, that acidic substances change blue litmus paper red and have no effect on red litmus paper. So dear members, if you get an acidic substance and also get the litmus paper and you dip in its solution, that blue litmus paper is gonna turn red. Another one, we are saying that acids are corrosive in nature. What does it mean? These acids, in case there has been a spillage or a leakage and falls on your skin, we are saying that these acids have burning effects. So they burn the skin. Alright, we are continuing to say that acids react with metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to form or to liberate carbon dioxide gas, salt, and water only. So this one is also a chemical properties of acids, that once they react with metals, metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates, we do form the carbon dioxide gas, salt and water together. Alright, let's have the next one. Dilute acids, especially mineral acids, react with metals which are reactive. So these acids react with reactive metals to produce hydrogen gas. This one is also a chemical reaction that acids react with reactive metals to produce the hydrogen gas. The next we have acids have pH below 7. Then we have acids react with alkalis and bases to form salt and water only. This one is also a chemical reaction. And when these acids react with the alkalis or the bases, we do form a salt and water only. We can have an example here. So when you have, for example, the hydrochloric acid and is reacting with a base, for example, sodium hydroxide. In this case, we are going to form the salt, which is sodium chloride and aqueous. They said also plus water, and they are saying only these ones. And this equation is balancing automatically. Alright, having talked about the properties, rather the characteristics of acids or acidic substances, let's now jump over to the examples of the locally available acidic substances we have. So there are many substances that we do use. Some of them we interact with them and they are acidic. For example, in here we have the lemon, and this is lemon. This lemon is acidic in nature. Its juice is acidic. And what does it contain? This one contains an acid called citric acid, major citric acid. Yes. So this is lemon. Also oranges contain citric acid. Oranges. So you have to know that. Then we can have another one, milk or sour milk. So we have milk, stroke sour milk, bongo. This one you enjoy it very well. And this one contains lactic acid. So if you've not been knowing that milk is acidic, then it's now well said. Alright, we can have another one, which is now the B. This is the B, and anti-stings. And anti-stings contains fumic acid. Somebody can call it methanoic acid. So it is this acid which causes the itching when a bee, rather a wasp or an ant, has stung you. And that is when you feel pain and itching, and then the inflammation or the swelling of the stung parts of the skin. We can also have the stomach, rather the small intestine. Yes, or the stomach. This one contains, and the stomach contains the hydrochloric acid. And this hydrochloric acid is released together with the gastric juice. And its purpose there is to activate the enzyme responsible for the digestion of protein. And that one we are going to look at it when you're talking of the uses of hydrochloric acid, or rather the importance of hydrochloric acid or acids. Alright, we can have another one, and this is a car battery. A car battery. So which acids are here or are contained here? These ones majorly contain sulfuric acid as the electrolyte. As the electrolyte in there, responsible for the generation of electricity. We can have another one, that is a tomato or tomato juice. Tomato juice, or we can say just tomato. It's saying that it contains acids like malic acid, ascorbic acid, citric acid, then etc. Alright, we can talk of an apple. This one is an apple. And what does it contain? It contains ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. Rather vitamin C. Alright, we can have raw mangoes. And raw mangoes contain which acid? We are saying that it contains, or they contain citric acid in them. Alright, we have ginkgo rhizomes. And what these ones contain? So these ones are saying that they contain acids like tartaric acid, and oxalic acid. Alright, we can have onions, or somebody can call them onion bulbs, or just bulb. And these ones contain a variety of acids. For example, contains oxalic acid. Still, it contains citric acid. There is citric acid and others. Alright, let's talk of it is garlic. And what does it contain? This one contains a variety of aromatic acids or phenolic acids, and also contains oxalic acids. Let's talk of the sample summary. Members, it is very, very important that whenever you read or you revise, you make a summary. For example, I made a simple summary here, and I'm saying that lemon contains citric acid. We have vinegar, which contains acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Also have the tomato, which we have said contains citric acid, malic acid, oxalic acid. We have the grapes, they are here. The grapes, they are also containing tannic acid. We have lactic acid in milk. We have formic acid, rather than methanoic acid, in ant stings. Then we have the apple, which contains ascorbic acid or malic acid. We have other ones. For example, we have tea, which contains tannic acid. We have coffee, which contains tartaric and tannic acids. So we have many other things that are acidic in nature. Alright, let's now talk of the importance of acids in everyday life. How are these acidic or acids important in our life? in our daily life, or how do we use them? How do we use these acidic substances? Alright, the first one, we have that ethanoic acid, rather vinegar, is added to food and beverages as preservatives. So we are saying that some acids, for example, ethanoic acid, is added or put into food and drinks and serve as preservatives, prevent them from going bad easily. Then number 2, we are saying the hydrochloric acid in stomach plays vital or pivotal roles, like activation of pepsin enzyme that allows the digestion of proteins. And also, this hydrochloric acid in the stomach released together with the gastric juice helps in maintaining the stomach's acidic pH, kills the bacteria and germs ingested together with food. Remember, food we eat sometimes contain germs. We may not know, and that one is very important because it helps us to avoid, rather prevent the attack of some infections as a result of the digested bacteria and enzyme together with food. Another one, you can say that amino acids in living things are building units or building blocks. As we know that protein is a bodybuilding food, we have the amino acids, which are now the smallest units from which the proteins are made. And these ones are also important because proteins act as enzymes, or enzymes are protein in nature. That's what you can see. And then we say that also these proteins are used in the formation of DNA. And DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. That one is called the genetic makeup of any living organisms. Alright, we have the ascorbic acid, rather the vitamin C, which the majority of us know that is found in the majority of fruits. So this one is majorly found in the fruits we eat. And we are saying it is a vital nutrient that boosts the body's immunity. It also neutralizes the free radicals, and that means the ascorbic acid, rather the vitamin C that we do find in fruits, act as antioxidants. They eliminate those unbonded free electrons, or we can call them the free radicals, and also helps in healing of wound. So when we are talking of the healing of wound, the formation of the thrombokinase or the thromboplastin that leads to the clotting of the wound, this ascorbic acid play a vital role. Alright, we can have another one, that fatty acids, or we can call them fats, is used in cooking and food preparation. You know very well that the oil we use, that cooking oil, is got from fats, and it is acidic in nature. And we do use it in daily life to cook food, to prepare delicious meals. Also used in formation, or rather manufacture, of detergents and cosmetics. And the detergents, you know, those are washing chemicals that we do use, the Omo, the Magic. And then cosmetics, this includes the skin moisturizing products that we do smear on our skin, especially after bathing or after having a shower. We can also have another one, that sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of detergents, in brackets soap, for cleaning surfaces and utensils. Still, sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. For example, you can have ammonium sulfate, and you're saying that the sulfate is there now. It means that sulfate is coming from the sulfuric acid, and those fertilizers are used in agricultural sectors. Also, storage of energy in batteries, as we saw that in car batteries, the electrolyte commonly used is sulfuric acid, and here we are saying that this sulfuric acid is important in the storage of energy in batteries, and it is also used in analytical chemistry experiments, rather quantitative or qualitative analysis, and in preparation of compounds like salts. So when we are preparing salts, especially the sulfate salts, we commonly use the sulfuric acid. Alright, we have that mineral acids, most of them are used in production of certain medicines like the antacid tablets, chemotherapy drugs, and disinfectants. So thank you for watching. See you again. Goodbye.